Want to go through some picks that I had the last couple of days and see where they are. On the 10th, we went over Vechain. So let's go through this chart real quick and see where we're at. So on the 10th, this is where I made the video, and since then it's starting to bounce off against that 3 price relationship. What we should be doing is ratchet up our stops, with a smaller moving average on a lower time frame, however you want to do it. But it is using that support area support. Let's take a quick look at Solana. Solana was also a pick that we talked about. And this was the area that I talked about, around that 220 area. You can check out my video. And since then, it's also bounced off to the upside as well. So also this one should ratchet up your stops along the way. We also had Chainlink. Let's talk about that chart real quick. So over here, pull back into our 3 price relationship. And from here, it's always starting to bounce off of it as well. Taking a quick look on the hourly chart. Price is also trading slightly below that 200 moving average. So if you're not in this chart right away, just make sure, be patient, make sure that it gets up above this 200, continues that series of higher highs and higher lows. Let's also go over Matic real quick. Went over Matic, I think about 2 days ago. So for this chart, I'm still waiting for this formation to happen. I want price to pull back into my 3 price relationship right around 142. If it doesn't provide me with that price structure, there's nothing for me to do on this chart. Now price to continually to just rocket off from here, and there's nothing for me to do if it does that. I'm not going to be chasing this chart if it starts to exhibit that behavior. So I just want to go through these charts one by one and letting you know where my head is at. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.